If you're considering buying Lusha, you need to know these 7 things before making your decision. Whether you're a digital marketer, sales rep, or business owner, Lusha could be the game changer you're looking for, but not without a few important factors to consider first. Stick around till the end and I'll break it down so you can decide if Lusha is the right fit for your needs. First up, Lusha is known for its B2B lead generation and data enrichment capabilities. It's designed to help you find high-quality leads and get real-time access to contact details, like email addresses and phone numbers. Now, if you're coming from a tool like LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, or ZoomInfo, you might be wondering how it stacks up. While both of those tools offer similar features, Lusha's main advantage is its simplicity and ease of use. You won't get overwhelmed by complicated dashboards or unnecessary features. The focus is on quality over quantity, making it ideal for smaller teams or those who want fast, accurate data without the bells and whistles. Next thing to know, pricing. Lusha's pricing model is competitive, but it might not be the cheapest option available. If you're comparing it to something like Hunter.io or Snov.io, you'll find that Lusha's plans are often more expensive for similar features. However, what you get with Lusha is higher data accuracy, which is essential if you're targeting decision makers at larger companies. Plus, Lusha's free plan is a great starting point for testing its capabilities, giving you up to 5 credits each month to gather leads without any cost. The third thing you should understand is Lusha's accuracy. One of the biggest selling points of this software is its verified data. Unlike some competitors that may provide a lot of leads, but with varying accuracy, Lusha ensures that its contact data is updated frequently. This means you're getting more reliable leads with fewer outdated or irrelevant contacts. It's a vital feature for anyone relying on data to close high-value deals. Now let's talk integrations. Lusha doesn't just operate in isolation, it integrates with platforms you're probably already using. Whether it's Salesforce, HubSpot, or Pipedrive, Lusha fits seamlessly into your existing workflow. This is a huge advantage compared to tools like Clearbit, which might require more manual work to sync your data. With Lusha, you get a more streamlined process, which is critical when you're moving fast and don't want to waste time on manual data entry. The fifth thing to know is the lead search function. Lusha's search capabilities are robust. You can search by company name, title, location, and industry to find the exact prospects you need. Compared to something like Apollo.io, Lusha provides a more refined search experience, allowing you to filter down your list more effectively. While Apollo offers a larger database, Lusha's focused approach to delivering quality leads in your target market is something that many users appreciate. Next, let's talk about the user interface. Lusha's platform is incredibly intuitive. Unlike some other software tools that require a steep learning curve, Lusha's clean design makes it easy to find what you're looking for with minimal effort. It's also quick to navigate, allowing you to export data, manage your leads, and track your outreach in one smooth experience. If you've tried more complex tools like ZoomInfo, you'll appreciate the straightforwardness of Lusha. The last thing I want to mention is Lusha's customer support. It's not just about having a tool that works, but also having a solid support system behind it. With Lusha, you get access to customer service via email and live chat, and the team is known for being responsive and helpful. When compared to competitors like Hunter.io, which has limited support options, Lusha's customer service stands out as one of its best features. So, if you're considering whether or not Lusha is the right choice for your business, keep these points in mind. It's a powerful tool that can save you time and improve the accuracy of your lead generation, but it's not the cheapest, and it's important to be sure it fits your specific needs. If you want to give Lusha a try for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive free trial. You'll be able to test all of the features and experience how it can elevate your business. Don't miss out. Check it out now and see the difference Lusha can make.